And in this video we are going to see about how our eye will be acting when we are looking into bright light and dim light. So practical example, suppose if you plan to go a movie for matinee show. So it is nowadays, assume that you are in peak summer. In that summer you are traveling with too hot with the sunlight, and then you are going to enter the cinema theater. So if you are going inside, that time you could not able to see any object inside the theater because your focal length is get varied, right? After few times the focal length can be adjusted, then only you can able to see the objects inside the theater. And similarly here we are going to explain by theoretically, when a light is bright, okay, iris contracts, our iris becomes contracts, and if it is contracts in the sense, the people will allow less light. So iris contracts, the people will allow less light. When we are looking for a dim light, that time our iris expands and allow more light to the people. The people allow more light when we are seeing dim light. Okay, that's why we are saying the people act as aperture. What is aperture in the sense? Suppose if you take a paper, A4 sheet paper, make a small hole, okay, and a sunlight pass through that hole, right? So only very minimum amount of light can enter through that hole, right? Similarly, the people will act that the same type of setup is called as aperture. Similarly, the people will also act as allow less light as well as more light. And these people opens completely through the relaxation of the iris. When the iris are relaxation, that time people will open completely.